is this is basically n10, and let's check something on YouTube. So basically the problem we are facing right now is, we'll go there. So the most common problem we are facing is if we go execution, then we'll see a lot of things are failing. Okay. So this is weird. Okay, so we have to fix this thing. Okay, why it is failing. So one of the common reason is obviously his ec2 server is choking. Like let's say right now we are not able to connect, but yeah, his ec2 server is choking. So this is one of the error right now we are facing. And I'm just checking my stream is working or not. Well, it's not working. Yeah, it's so at least his stream is working perfectly, and also now we are able to debug this thing. Okay, so the reason is his ec2 is choking. Okay, so this is his ec2. Now how we can fix this thing. Here we can see it's running. Even here we can see it's running. Not here we can't even connect, and since we can't connect here, we can't do the handshake here with using SSH. So how we can do the SSH there? Like, so one simple thing is I will restart this server, ec2 server. So pretty easy. I will do the reboot, and obviously because it will get reboot. Once we will do the reboot, it will get, what will happen, the thing is it will restart, and let's say I don't know right now where it is choking, so we'll increase the server size. One of the problem with this must be server size, or maybe I can add 4 different servers if needed. This could be another good option, like to have 4 server for 4. Basically the project is something like I don't save anything, we have not everything, we don't save. So one of the problem is there are 4 scrapers. Okay, so basically there are 4 scrapers. So and there is only one ec2. So if needed, we can set up 4 scrapers, and then we can start at the time, and once everything done, we can stop the servers, everything. Okay, so give me 1 second. I'm waiting, like let's restart it. Okay, let's do the handshake. Let's test the handshake here. So now this is restarted, so we'll check the handshake. So we'll close this one, and we'll check the handshake again. And it's pretty easy. Let me reduce the music. The music is good. It's already. Yeah, so yeah, still no handshake. So we'll wait. Refresh the page. We'll wait till it's running and all. You can see it's running perfectly. Okay. This is 129, 139, 129. Okay. 139, 129. Yeah, we are so dumb. This is okay. So we have to check the handshake. Yeah, to the see the handshake done successfully. So now the handshake is done. So what we'll do now, we'll run everything on ec2 and okay, and it's 8 o'clock. So yeah, now let's start with the smaller one. Not AIRR is the bigger one. Let's start with globe. It was successful last time, and then or new craft. We'll try with new craft or globe because they are small scrapers. So let's rerun the globe and then see whether it is working. Globe failed last time, and here we will execute and then see. It didn't work. Go with AIRR. New craft, globe. And then make some changes here. Okay, let's try here. This one is AIRR. So technically, if there is no handshake, it will fail immediately, like within 1 or 2 minutes. If it does not, it will take 1 or 2 hours, and it will work, like it will go forward. So yeah, see it did updated a lot of things, and so there was only 119 items. So we'll go back to Eastern and all. Eastern is like, this is the place where he got issues, so we'll run it. Basically it will take 4 and 5 hours, so it takes a lot of time. Anyway, we have fixed the ec2, and the one simple fix is maybe we have to set a 4 ec2 like this, or so that independently all 4 can run parallelly. And second is second option is simple, but the problem, one problem is, like, let's say we'll do 4, and obviously see, AWS does not charges you for so many things, like AWS not charges you for so many things, like if let's say if I right now this is running 24/7, so the cost is still, we are paying AWS for 24/7. But let's say we set up a situation, let's say where it will start, let's say even ec2 can start this thing, and then where ec2 can start this thing, and what will happen, ec2 will execute all those things. Sorry, what I'm telling you, ec2 will start the ec2, and then whatever the SSH command we have, let's say it's pretty simple. The SSH command, go to this folder and run this SSH command, run this bash command or .sh. So what will happen? So we are just doing simple thing. Okay, so let's say there are 4. So right now this is only 1. So it will anyway kind of, I would say, maybe cost effective for longer run for the for my friend. or this way we can only see right now one ec2 is running. At that time we'll see 4 ec2 is running, but in long run cost effective will be that one, because we will start ec2, we'll do the scrapping, and we'll stop the ec2. So let's say right now it takes 6 hours, so still it is running for, let's say, we and there are, it takes 6 hours, and there are two there are two. Okay, so what will happen, possible travel deals. Amazon pay me so many deals right now. Okay, let it be. So yeah, so one, that is also a good option, and I guess I should try that option. I don't have to do much like this, duplicate all those things. I just want to duplicate. If I can duplicate, launch instance of server, connect. Where is the duplicate option? Instance because it is a lot of effort to set up all those things from scratch, because there are 4 spare parts, they are perfectly installed in that, and then I don't want to redo that thing because it takes a lot of time. Create template from instance. I should ask ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT. So once I will create a duplicate, it will be a lot easier. It will be a lot easier, but yeah, then we have to set up all those things. It is saying stop heavy writing to avoid inconsistent. The duplicate OS is used to create full clone. Yes, I want full clone. I don't want, I want to use console. Stop heavy writes to avoid inconsistent use, etc. Go to ec2, go to instance, select your instance, create image. Okay, and wait waiting for my friend to jump in so that even he can take a look. Or maybe I can ping him on WhatsApp. Whatever. Okay, according to this, we have to we have to create a image and make sure root volume is included. Wait until let's do that. Easy to instance segments, image and templates. Okay, and then create image. Perfect. Let's say let's change the name food image description not needed. And let's say root volume is also included. Vishnu. According to this, I should during the image creation and then create snap to each of those one. Perfect. I want that. I don't need storage type. What is delete on premise? I guess. Let's create image. That's it. Currently creating image. This one. Wait and okay, let's go to AMI. All images. Visibility. This is pending. So we will wait till it is pending. Right now my goal is simple to basically to do all the projects I will do live stream and all. It's easier for me to so doing the live we can fix a lot of things. Anyway, I write a lot of codes, I do a lot of things. So I don't think too long. You go to choose your email. Sorry, AMI, VPC, instant. These all are just. Now let's refresh. Is it ready? It's still pending. By the time, can I apply for a couple of jobs in work? Okay, this is pretty easy. AI agent said, oh, when his budget is too low, we are seeking skilled professional agent looking for mixture. He's from UK. Okay, good. We are seeking skilled professional to set up AI agent tailored to our specific need. Cool, but budget is too low. The ideal candidate will have experience in computer training, blah 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 blah. You should be able to integrate AI solutions in with the existing solution. Actually, I can do all those things, but one of the don't recommend to anyone client is totally unresponsive and take the work but didn't pay. Wow. Even let's say assume clients like this. And the worst thing, what is the worst thing for clients like this? Okay, so the client like this, why this is worse? For $10 if he didn't pay, like it is so difficult. By the time, let's say if it is fixed or not, okay, it's still pending. So what we will do, once this is done, once AMI will create it, we'll duplicate the multiple, let's say 4 or something. Once it will get duplicate, we'll do what? We'll recreate 4 copies. But yeah, go back to our thing. Let's add this pending work here. We'll wait for a couple of minutes by the time I do this thing. So yeah, for $10 if we didn't pay money, so what we can expect from them? And see, if one has done, then fine. If 2 has done, it means this is pathetic line. Okay, so I won't apply when and it requires 8 connects. But I think some of them has given them good rating right now, 4.6, but 5 reviews. So maybe usually what happens whenever you have a good client now, it is very hard someone gives you less than 5. If you have good client, it is very hard that someone will give. uh, I don't know for see, this guy, I guess he left Upwork, data extraction also. But yeah, uh, I guess this client is not good. So usually this is one of the way how things work. Okay, so SaaS, YouTube, automation web. Okay, cool. Problem with these kind of app is they have fixed budget. Okay, and insert the app is like a set and forget YouTube content machine. See, it can be done, or maybe there might be someone has created. But to be honest, if someone is going to create from scratch for his own customization, see, TTS, I guess, what actually they do, they get projects from other people and then they put here again, and maybe new freelancers might have applied as well. In $200, $200 is like we will get 15,000 only in India. So the project went well overall. Manual track, clear communication, and why 4-star. Work was completely smooth. There was a short period of a week. Didn't respond to text, but he eventually came back and approved the payment for completing everything fixed price. So maybe client is good, but communication is wrong. But the number is from Nigeria, and the numbers he's quoting is also very less. Software engineer, 500 budget. Cool, but he is looking for edge computing. That is why I didn't apply. We don't do edge computing thing. We provide AI automation, end-to-end automation. AI is actually, I would say this is very competitive space. Before this I was doing data engineering, and that has little bit less competition than this one. Okay, so I would say anyone switching just because of what world. This one should be ready. So I'm still pending. So I guess it will take some time. Then it will get updated. Okay. So yeah. There are some of the tasks I have. I won't go down. See, if to be honest, if you, right now I am telling you the upward situation. Okay, so let's say if there is any AI agent development needed, okay, for any innovative part. First of all, this client has payment verified only, but has not spent anything. Okay, and so this is the bare minimum thing we look. Okay, bare minimum thing before even applying. And did I apply for this job? I didn't apply, and maybe one reason could be this number proposal. And interviewing is zero, so yeah. We're seeking experience creative set AI agent for our upcoming project. Cool. The identity is strong on this AI principle, NLP, ML. Okay, cool. You collab with our product team. Cool. Design, develop, optimize AI. Perfect. AI solution enhances our experience, users' experience, not ours. If you are passionate about AI technology, have a knack for our innovative problem, we want to hear from you. So, good thing is he's open, and one good thing is he's from California. So, yeah, what I would say. Uh, I should change the name of stream to Upwork Job Hunt and EDC2 because next time I'll take. Okay. So anyway, this is it done? No, it's still pending. Best is like I have best tech right now. Best tech. is so I will go back to work after some time. Just say instances. Okay. We'll go to best match. Best match is a place from where we can. Okay, there is long-term AI automation, make N10 and plus SAS. Okay, number of position needed to. So okay, so even I could be the best man. The problem I am telling you without even opening, competition is so high. Competition is so high. I'm telling you. I won't be able to open this thing. I'm telling you. Is my what just happened? Nothing happened. Okay. So yeah, everything is here. The competition is so high. It must be in 3 hours. It must be 20 to 50. Okay. But see, it is 15 to 25 because he needs German-speaking people. And see, I will show you the region. I guessed it before, but I know the region. See, he is not allowing anyone outside of, let's say, Europe and America. So what actually happens? If this is the criteria, then competition is so low. Okay, if this criteria is open, then competition is so high. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, let's say this is posted 4 hours ago, and this one has 50 plus proposal. Even if you apply, you won't hear from the guy. Okay, and I'm just telling you, he has literally no reviews and all, but still competition is so high. The good thing is, yes, he has previous client Comfy for the Comfy UI. Let's see. Upwork has become like kind of a competitive place right now, and it has become kind of an art to apply jobs. AI agent for SEO, yes, we do that. Content generation, we do that. Audit, yes, we do auditing as well. The SEO should be able to handle the keywords. Okay, cool. Integrate with tools such as Google Key Planner, Seamless, Hrefs, Ahrefs, Hrefs, automatically fetch and analyze high value keywords. Cool. Extract search volume, blah 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 blah, and then from $100. Do you think it is possible in 3 to 4 hours? Yes, it is possible, but the problem is when it is fixed budget. There is one challenge, like that is a pretty big challenge, I guess. The big challenge is when we are doing this thing. So 100 USD is fine, we can do, but even let's say it take 3 to 4 hours and even 5 to 6 hours, okay, it's fine. And let's say, but the problem is then people expect support, and then again testing, and so many things are included, so can't be done in 100 USD. See, problem is if someone has already something, then they can just provide the workflow and then voila. But the problem is when you start integrating with their CRM, their website, their APIs and all, it automatically goes way beyond. This job has potential to turn into full-time role. We'll go back to our this part where we were fixing it. So yeah, it is still disabled. We refresh. Status looks like okay. Sorry, we were checking this status. If it is pending, then okay. I guess still it is pending. So the image is still AMI Amazon machine. It's still pending. So what we will do? Mm, because that is the best thing I thought. How we can fix this ec2 problem. Basically we need 4 and right now we have set up only 1, so that I thought with ec2 scraper can run on one server, but now the thing is now we'll set up 4 for ec2 individually for each, and then what called then we will come to know so yeah, we need 4 something so that we can do that kind of thing. Right now we have only 1, so yeah, it is the problem is things get blocked at execution level whenever maybe 2 or 3 comes at the same time, then it gets blocked. Yeah, even AI failed, instant failed, runtime 32 ms, 37 ms. I told you whenever we execute parallelly it fails, so I got the reason why it is failing. So we'll wait, maybe it'll come after 1 hour or something. Let's ask ChatGPT how much usually takes. It failed at this level. Okay. How much usually it takes to I will close this live and we'll restart another line. The topic will be simple: upwork job search. And by that time I will fix this thing as well. Okay. If in, let's say, a smaller server 8 to 15 GB, 2 to 20, 10 minutes, a medium 10 to 20, so maybe in the next live it will be available. So we'll do the other live as well, and then we'll fix this thing. Okay. All good. Let's wait for 20 minutes and I will start a different live with a different title. Not easy to debugging. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.